Sorry I cut off that last video abruptly, but if I go over 10 minutes 30 seconds, I can't post it to YouTube, and then I have to re-record the whole thing. So continuing where I left off, we were talking about the case where we were given these 12 numbers and they asked us to find this. And how we finished saying, or where we finished the video, we were saying that this is equivalent to this, x1 divided by 38, x2 divided by 38 plus la 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 la, all the way up to x12 divided by 38, which is the same as factoring out a 1 over 38 and being left with these, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus la la la, all the way to x12, which is the same as 1 over 38 times the sum of the x's, or the sum of the x's divided by 38, which makes it very easy in ALEKS if you're given a problem like this, because you can just select them all, hit sum of the x's because it's a complete index from 1 to 12, so we have them all, and then just take that result and divide it by 38. Divided by 38, enter, and they're telling us to round to at least 2 decimal places, so 3.973 is going to stay at 3.973, but it's negative, so negative 3.97, and I hit next. It'll tell me if we got it right. Very good. I seem to have mastered it. So technically I'm done, but no, I'm not. I'm going to do one more with you guys because there's one more that hasn't popped up yet. And here it is. Beautiful. It just came up. This is where the sum does not precede the summation symbol, like when they put a 6 in front before, but when it's actually part of the summation. So this is a little different. So let me do what I like to do, get a new page and take a clip. So we have these numbers. They're in there now. Actually, I don't even care about those numbers, so I'm going to leave them out. What I do care about is what they're asking me to do here. So let me get that, and we can discuss that and dissect it using the definition of what a summation is. Everything is an outflow of the definition in math. That's why in your book, those green boxes that contain the definitions are so important, and you should pay attention to those, read them, and put them in your notebook. So here's your definition here. According to our definition of summation notation, we know that when the index goes from 1 to 12, we change this from 1 to 12 and add them all up. Each time re-adding this term, but changing the index. So first time is x1 plus 47. Next time, it's x2 plus 47. Next time it would be x3, and all the way up to x sub 12 plus 47. Now, how many times am I adding 47 in this array of data? Well, I would be adding 47 12 times because there's 12 of these guys. So what do I have here essentially then? I have xi plus x2 plus dot 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 plus all the way up to x12 plus 47 plus 47. If I split it up, plus 47 plus 47, and let me just go like this. 12 times. Well, what does that mean? Well, here I have the sum of the x's from I equals 1 to 12. And over there I have, let me put that in parentheses, plus 12 47s, 12 times 47. 47, 12 times, 12 times 47. So basically what I'm telling you is when you have something like this, just do the summation of the whole array of data and add 12, because there's 12 of these, from there to there is 12, 12 times 47. So here's a general rule, ready? If you have sum of the, from 1 to n, of the xi's plus k, where k is some constant, then your answer is k times n plus sum of the xi's as I goes from 1 to n. Okay? If you don't understand that notation, then you'll understand this. Keep that in mind. 12 times 47. Here we go. Doing it in ALEKS. I just get these data. I add them up by hitting the sum symbol because it's a complete index. So I'm adding up all 12. And I'm going to go plus, what did I say? 12, because it's from 1 to 12, times 47. And because of order of operations, it's going to do the multiplication before it does the addition, because this is a smart scientific calculator. Hit equals, the answer is 498. Type that in, enter. Oh no, I got to hit next. And yay, I still seem to have mastered this question, which is a good thing. All right, that's pretty much it. I think we've done all the types, but just for ha-has, haha, I like this. And just to round out the video, we'll do one more and you can check yourself. This is like the first one we had. So give yourself a minute to think about it. Try it out. In your mind, tell yourself how you would do it. Pause the video and then see if I agree. All right, I'm going to explain it. What you should do is factor out the negative 18. Just put it in front of the sigma. Okay, so the rule is when you have a constant times one of these guys from 1 to n, you can just factor out the constant and just add this part over here. So your answer here will be negative 18. So it'll be negative 18 times, I wonder if I can do parentheses. Ah, it won't let me do that. Okay, so let me clear this. I have these guys. I'm going to sum them, and I'm going to go times negative 18 equals negative 1,160. And that's it. That's how it's done. We are done for tonight. Okay, have a good night.